Unreal.
Hey,
It's getting slushier.
It's supposed to stop at noon, I think.
It's getting slushier. Every time a car truck passes, I get blasted with road slush.
I'm so sorry. That's so funny. I feel so bad.
Just have to laugh at it. Who would have ever expected this?
For a good cause.
This is ridiculous.
Just laugh.
Right?
At some point, we're not going to be able to know if you're laughing or just crying.
I think I just have to laugh. Sarah's crying over.
Katie, you're yawning. You're not ready.
We got to sleep in today, guys. I feel like a lot.
I know.
I think I kept waking up after like 4 a.m.
Like,
is it time?
Is it time?
Yeah. But
Well, you guys both conspired against me. Didn't tell me that you changed the times. I was just like listening to music.
I really thought Katie would have told you.
Yeah, what's up with that, Katie?
If you just take it day by day too.
Okay. Oh man. Day 1. I feel like I don't remember it that well.
You said you were nervous for day 3 going in, just because day 3, you heard from last year's runner that it was pretty tough and stuff. How did the expectations actually change with reality?
It actually wasn't as bad as I thought. I feel like the scenery helped. There was some more downhill than I expected there to be after the uphill. And it went a lot smoother than I expected. I was also a little concerned because our training had always been like 2 long runs back to back, and then we would have a rest day immediately after. And with having like what I was expecting to be a harder day on the 3rd day, when I would typically have a rest day after 2 long runs, I was a little nervous about that, but it ended up going fine. And then day 4, the miles kind of just like flew by, and I couldn't believe how fast it seemed to go. Still some really nice scenery, a lot more farmland on day 4 with some cattle farms. I think there was like a buffalo farm, and went through the town of Craig, and I don't know what day 5 is going to be yet.
I'm feeling good, looking better.
I got to talk to my husband and some of my friends, which was nice. I had service, so I was like, I'm going to call them.
Oh, yeah.
So I talked to 2 of my coworkers, and then one of the kids on my caseload, I guess, walked through by their office, and she was like, hi, Miss Kelly, good luck on your run.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I was like,
That's really cute.
Like, what about this organization enticed you into wanting to run this segment, and how has that affected, your diagnosis with MS as a whole?
So I wanted to do it after I found out about the organization. I initially was an ambassador last year and kind of thought, no, I could never do that. And then watching the runners last year, I kind of realized maybe I could do it, and it kind of turned into a thing on every run. I was like, I think I could do that, and then I'd be like, no, I can't do that, and then I thought I could. So I decided to just apply for it while I could, because with MS you kind of don't know what's going to happen, and now I'm fortunate to be physically capable of doing it, and I don't know how long that will last. Hopefully it will last for a long time, but I just don't know. So part of why I wanted to do it this year was just to do it while I can. I also wanted to more give hope to people that are diagnosed with MS, because I know when I was initially diagnosed, it was kind of hard to find a good community of people that were more positive about the diagnosis. I was finding a lot of more negative spins on it. So when I found out about MS Run the US, it was kind of what I was looking for and wanted to be involved in it. And it was really nice to connect with some other runners that also have MS.
So day 5, we woke up to some snow, and it just kept
Thanks.
snowing, and there wasn't a lot of.
Good luck.
The visibility was pretty low. A lot of slush on the roads. A lot of getting splashed with slush. A lot of wind and snow in my face. I got a nice little buildup of snow on my hat once I finally put that on to keep the snow out of my eyes. It was, yeah, just soggy, slushy, windy, and cold.
You did laugh a lot.
And I did laugh a lot because you shouldn't cry about it. You should just laugh at things because what's the point in crying about it? You just gotta keep going. And then when we got to this town, I think it was called Hayden, they seemed to have plowed the sides of the road, so there was a little less slush. By the time I was finishing, the sky was starting to get blue, but it was still pretty chilly and windy, and I was really happy to take a nice long hot shower once we got back to the campground.
You did it. All right, we're ready.
Cute.
All right,
Alright.
So I'm going.
have fun
All right, see you in a little bit.
as much as you can. I mean. Enough.
Oh, has my name on it too.
Yeah, it's all fancy. Oh, you guys look cute. Whenever you're ready.
All right, my name is Kelly Irving, and I just ran 163 miles in 6 days and raised $17,133 to stop MS.